Hello everyone. So today we have Zoya Khan with us. So Zoya scored 116 marks out of 150 in 5 years MHCET law. So Zoya, can you tell me about something about yourself?
Yeah, I am myself Zoya. I'm from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I'm from science background and this my drop year.
Okay, so Zoya, so how was your strategy about this particular examination?
Uh, I start my preparation in January after my CLAT results. So first I go through to the all previous year questions paper. Then I see that they ask too much constitutions question, polity questions, and the contract law. They were just principle and fact based. So I started with my prep with constitutional law, then contract law, criminal law. I also observed that legal maxims and legal terms also play a major role. Then and we see that they ask too much vocab, so vocab is the main part. So for English do vocabs and I do grammar questions like daily practice of articles, correct the sentences, sentence improvement and parajumble questions. For logical I prepare like syllogisms. Most of the syllogisms question I do them daily, and statement and base question, clock and calendar questions. I make a strategy that I will do 10 to 20 questions daily of every topic. And I see that to maths. Maths is a game changer subject for me, and I had an advantage that I am from maths background, science background. So I do daily 5 to 10 questions of maths of like percentage, ratio, proportion, mensuration, and mixture and aggregation. That's the important topic. And I'm feeling very exhausted when I see the syllabus of static GK. It's too vast. So I decided to do daily 50 to 60 questions because reading syllabus is too tough. And reading newspaper. Newspaper is like Bible because we get a knowledge of journal awareness and current affairs from them. So I made daily notes and stuck it to my wall, and then I in the morning daily revise them.
Okay, so I picked two, three things very beautifully from Zoya's strategy. The very first thing, किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए अगर स्टार्ट करना है, so just observe the last year papers. Just observe the thematic area from where the question is coming. आप जहाँ पे जाने वाले हो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा पता होना चाहिए. So the very rightly mentioned कि जो basically हमें question paper है, जिस तरीके के questions आ रहे हैं, जिस टाइप के questions आ रहे हैं, उन पर फोकस करना बहुत जरूरी है. जैसे जोया मेंशन की लीगल में शी डन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के क्वेश्चंस, पॉलिटी के क्वेश्चन,
Yeah.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज ये एक बहुत बड़ा मेजर और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन रहता है. ओके जोया, सो जोया द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट कि हाउ वाज योर दैट 2 आवर्स का एग्जाम का एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ यू हैंडल्ड दैट प्रेशर एंड ऑल द पैनिक वाला सिचुएशन.
When I attempt mocks, so mocks may I see that time management is a issue. So I prepare daily like to sit 2 hours and use time properly. So when I just sit in exam, it's too warm there and we have generator problem there. So our exam is started 1 hour late. We feel very exhausted and panic, but somehow I manage because it's do or die condition. So I panicked and then I managed myself and then I very calmly solved my paper. And I solved it in 1 hour, and in 1 hour I go through all questions again.
ओके, सो कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है स्पेशली इन एमएससीईटी से सी की, कई बार आपका एग्जाम देते हुए सिस्टम भी बंद हो जाता है. जोया के साथ में हुआ ये कि जोया का एग्जाम लेट हुआ. सो उस सिचुएशन में पैनिक तो सब करते, बट फ्रॉम द थिंग वी लर्न फ्रॉम जोया की अपने आप को पैनिक आप करते हो, ठीक है, जस्ट एक्नॉलेज इट एंड गैदर योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज आपको पता
Yes.
है ये टाइम अब आपके पास में वापस नहीं आया, जस्ट लाइक डू एंड दैट सिचुएशन. So, Zoya, what will be your tips for the 2024 and 25 aspirants?
The first thing is be consistent with your prep. Don't procrastinate your things. And don't be afraid from any subject. You can crush anything from your hard work. And always consider newspaper as it's your bible for your all law entrance exam like CLAT and ALET, SLAT and mhcet and all, because newspaper is essential part of your prep. You just starting your reading become efficient, you know about current affairs and legal part also.
Okay. And the one very interesting question. So why you chose or opted for law, as you told that you have science ka background?
So as I am a science student, but after my 12th, I saw Criminal Justice. It's a Pankaj Tripathi web series, and I got very obsessed from litigation and all. And I think law is a very adventurous and extremely, we can say, exciting career. So I think litigation, and I'm also good in debating. That's why I choose career as my law career.
Okay. So just a question connected with it. So do you want to suggest any web series for the aspirants? अगर आप exam की preparation कर करके बहुत बोर हो गए तो in between you can take that web series as you are थोड़ा सा booster thing.
Yes, because I am also a dropper. We feel very exhausted and अब काफी हो गया, अब नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा. So at that time we can watch web series like Criminal Injustice and Miss Marvelous, and अभी recently watched पंकज त्रिपाठी, वो मनोज वाजपेयी, एक बंदा काफी है, स्कूप and etc.
Okay, so guys, please note, Pankaj Vajpayee is एक ही बंदा काफी है is a recommendation by one of the topper. So the last question is that, so
Yeah.
which law college are you targeting and why?
Obviously, my first preference is Government Law College, as it is the Asia's oldest law college and it has a prestige. And then ILS, Pune, and PGCL, if I got.
Okay, so I think इतने अच्छे मार्क्स के साथ में you'll get the best college and we wish कि आपको आपके लिए जो best हो, whether it's GLC or ILS, you get the best college जो आपके लिए best suitable हो, आपके ambition, आपके dreams के हिसाब से. So Zoya, thank you so much for connecting with us. Thank you so much for guiding our aspirants. So we wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, Zoya.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.